Today it's Friday, November 29, 2024. Today early morning I get the dimensions from the cylinder heads, from both cylinder heads of the BWA, and I end up with some dimensions. I fix this one. This is out of aluminium. Alright, I end up with this one. I make it on the lathe. Fine. And because I want to clear my mind, I continue outside with the checkup, with some other things, and now I have to go to open also one transfer case, to be honest. I order some pipes, the remaining pipes, this pipe that's fully rusty inside, and a couple of other hoses, alright? And because I don't want to think about right now, I want to clear my mind. Like I said, screw it, till they remove the transfer case, the guys, let me take apart the alternator, I'm gonna go to clean it. The bearings are okay. I'm gonna say to Omar to bring me some new bearings. If he doesn't want to pay the customer for the bearings, there's no problem, I'm gonna pay from my pocket. This is like for me the alternator is like a therapy. You know, taking it apart, cleaning it, make it nice, beautiful, clean the shaft, put the new bearings. The brushes, the voltage regulator, they confirm that we will gonna change it. For now, what I'm gonna do? I'm going to clear my mind. I'm going to wash the alternator. For you, it's gonna be a second. For me, it's gonna be a couple of minutes, but these are important for me. Let's do that. And then when I finish on the alternator, because I'm not gonna be able to close it, since I don't have the bearings, I'm gonna continue with the transfer case. Leave it there. It's fine for now. Leave it there. It also has a public holidays now on Monday, Tuesday, I think. With a clean and clear mind, we're gonna see that again on Wednesday. The rails, don't pay attention to the rails because I haven't inspected, I haven't washed it, I haven't prepared it. Alright, the two rails, the OEM rail, forget it. Where was I? Grabbing a cigarette, going to prepare it. Let's get one measurement. Yeah, just a second. How long is the cylinder head? The cylinder head from there till here, 42 centimeters. Whoever understand what I'm trying to do. Because I said at the office, if you want me to fix it properly, I need a bigger oven. Because it doesn't fit the cylinder head inside. No, it doesn't. Why? Because I have to cook the cylinder head. I have to raise up the temperature 70-80 degrees Celsius. No, 42. It might fit. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get the other BWA cylinder head and I'm gonna try to shove it inside. Wish me luck. Can I remove this one? I can hammer this one. Why not, right? Who's gonna stop me? Okay, we're gonna see about that. Otherwise, we have to order a bigger oven. This is next Wednesday, not now. Not now. Never mind now. Never mind. Here we go. At the alternator corner. That's how we're gonna call this area here. Always I have one alternator here. Go figure out. Stator, rotor, the cover, the front cover, the pulley. The pulley is fine, by the way. I didn't show any problem. Bolts, the cover for the pulley, everything's fine. All right. I'm gonna give to Omar now these two bearings and the voltage regulator. Obviously, like any other time, I'm gonna receive first the bearings. I'm gonna put the bearings, and then I'm gonna waiting for the voltage regulator. All right. Let me get this with me and going outside to open the transfer case.